안녕하세요. 여러분, 잘 지냈어요? Speak Korean의 문법 시간입니다. It's grammar time. Today's grammar is adjectives or verbs plus 지만. Please look at the example sentences. 테니스 치는 거 어때요? 좋아하지만 잘 못 쳐요. How about playing tennis? I like it, but I'm not good at it. As you can see, the answer 좋아하지만 잘 못 쳐요 sounds like it has two opposite clauses. I like it, but I'm not good at it. Okay. 테니스 치는 거 어때요? 좋아하지만 잘 못 쳐요. Okay, today I will teach you how to connect two opposite sentences into one using 지만. Adjectives or verbs plus 지만 is used to describe two opposing facts or contents. This pattern is equivalent to but in English. One of the most common conjunctions in Korean is 하지만 or 그렇지만, which means but. This word in English or Korean is usually used at the beginning of the second sentence between two opposite sentences. For example, 테니스 치는 거 좋아해요? Do you like playing tennis? 네, 좋아해요. 하지만 잘 못 쳐요. 네, 좋아해요. 그렇지만 잘 못 쳐요. So 하지만 and 그렇지만 located before the second sentence. Although both of those sentences are correct, Korean sometimes wants to make their sentences as short as possible. Create a new sentence with two clauses by eliminating 하지만 or 그렇지만 and adding 지만 to the verb stem of the first sentence to connect two sentences. For example, instead of 좋아해요, 하지만 잘 못 쳐요. You can say 좋아하지만 잘 못 쳐요. So there are two sentences with a conjunction 하지만 or 그렇지만. Now there is one sentence with 지만. This often translates to even though in English. Notice how the following two sentences in English are exactly the same. Even though I like it, I'm not good at it. I like it, but I'm not good at it. Although I like it, I'm not good at it. Something like that. Essentially, by adding 지만 to the verb stem, that clause gets negated. And the opposite is usually described in the latter clause. So keep in mind that the facts or the content between the former clause and the latter clause are always opposite. Okay, let's look at the grammar rule here. It is very simple. You can just drop the 다 from the dictionary forms of the verbs or adjectives. You have adjective stems or verb stems. Then just add 지만. So 예쁘다, 예쁘지만. 싸다, 싸지만. 가다, 가지만. 좋아하다, 좋아하지만. Something like that. Just simple, isn't it? Okay, let's practice. 김치가 어때요? How is the kimchi? Okay, the given informations are 맵다, spicy, and 맛있다, delicious. Okay, so how would you say? Okay, 맵다, you can drop 다 and add 지만. So although it's spicy, it's delicious. So how would you say? Oh, or you can just say 맛있다, 맛있지만, and then 맵다. So you can just switch to given information. Okay, 맵지만 맛있어요. Even though it's spicy, it's delicious. Or 맛있지만 매워요. It's delicious, but it's spicy. Okay, let me ask a question one more time and you answer my question. 김치가 어때요? Okay, so 맵지만 맛있어요. Or 맛있지만 매워요. Good job. 한국어 공부가 어때요? How is studying Korean? The given information are 어렵다 to be difficult and 재미있다 to be fun. So with 어렵다, you can drop 다 and you can add 지만, right? 어렵지만. So what would you say? 어렵지만 재미있어요. 어렵지만 재미있어요. Okay, let me ask you this question again, and you answer my question. 한국어 공부가 어때요? 그 신발이 어때요? How are those shoes? Okay, the given information are 예쁘다 to be pretty and 작다 to be small. 예쁘다, 작다, 예쁘지만. Okay, so how would you say? 예쁘지만 작아요. 예쁘지만 작아요. Good job. Okay, let me ask this question again. 그 신발이 어때요? 그 케이크 어때요? How is that cake? Although this is delicious, but it is expensive. Delicious, but expensive. 맛있다. You can drop 다, and you can add 지만. 맛있지만, okay, and then you can just conjugate 비싸다 into 비싸요. So how would you say? 맛있지만 비싸요. Okay, one more time. 그 케이크 어때요? 맛있지만 비싸요. 네, good job. Okay, today you learned about how to connect two opposite clauses by adding 지만, which is equivalent to but in English. Okay, thanks for watching. 감사합니다. 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕히 계세요.